Hello everyone, I'm Alray Laksamana from Bachelor of Secondary, major in English, and this digital story of Bloom's taxonomy. First of all, what is Bloom's taxonomy? Bloom's taxonomy is a framework for categorizing educational goals and learning objectives. It was created in 1956 by Benjamin Bloom, an educational psychologist, along with the Committee of Educators. The taxonomy aimed to promote higher form of thinking in education, such as analyzing and evaluating concepts instead of just remembering. This framework categorizing educational goals into a hierarchy. It helps educators structure learning objectives, assessment, and activity in a progressive way. The taxonomy is divided in three domains. The first domain is cognitive. This domain mostly commonly use and represent the mental process involved in acquiring and processing knowledge. The cognitive domain have a six level, each representing a higher order of thinking. The next is affective. Affective domain focuses on emotional aspect of learning, such as attitudes, feelings, and values. It is concerned with the student's development of values and attitude that influence how they learn, interact, or approach various subjects. And lastly, psychomotor. Psychomotor domain deals with the physical skill and ability to perform tasks that involves psychomotor skill. While Bloom's original taxonomy didn't explicitly address this domain, but but this stage developed on focusing on motor skill acquisition. This is the Bloom's triangular taxonomy and knowledge, how you recall information or discovery knowledge, or how you acquire by observing, listing, locating, or naming. This is more on remembering. Okay. Comprehension, understanding, translating, summarizing, demonstrating, discussing is how you comprehend the knowledge acquire. Application, using and applying knowledge using problem solving method, manipulating, designing, experimenting. This is how you will apply the knowledge you acquire. Okay. Analysis, identify and analysis pattern, organization of ideas, recognizing trends. This analysis is how you use learned material in a new and concrete situation, and how you break down information into its component and identify relationships. Synthesis, using old concept to create new ideas like designing an invention, composing, imagining, inferring, modifying, predicting, combining. This synthesis is combined parts to create a new whole. And lastly, evaluation. Assessing theory, comparison of ideas, evaluating outcome, solving, judging, recommending, rating. Evaluation is to make judge based on criteria and standards. In 2001, they revised the Bloom's taxonomy. The revised Bloom's taxonomy is a framework that categorizing cognitive skills into six levels of thinking, emphasizing the development of higher order thinking skills. The create is level is the highest tier in this hierarchy. Its purpose is to encourage learner to generate new ideas, producing original work, and combining information. The lowest tier is remember. It's recall facts and basic concept. The ability to recall facts and terms, basic concept, to answer. Like, let's give it an example. Like how you define planets, how you list the planets, how you define photosynthesis. You will remember how you what you acquire by remembering. Understand, explain ideas or concepts. This comprehending, the ability to explain ideas or concept and interpret information. Apply, use information in new situation. How you use your knowledge in practical situation. Yeah, how you use learn material in a new and concrete situation. Like how you solve, how you demonstrate, or how to implement it. Analyze, draw connection among ideas. It is how you organize the information you acquire. By organizing it, the longer you organize, the easier to use it. Evaluate, justify a stand or decision. Making judgment based on criteria. This this judge this evaluation, how you judge or critique other or defend your own material. Create, produce new or original work. And the create is building new concept of ideas by this Bloom's taxonomy is more on creating, refers to the highest level of cognitive processing where learners combine different elements to form new or original whole. It involves synthesizing information, constructing new ideas, designing new system, or producing innovative solution. At creating level, students are not merely applying what they learn or recalling facts. They are actively generating new concept or product based on the existence of their knowledge. Thank you.